So in previous class we were discussing about electricity and circuits text exercise. I hope all of you have completed the notes. Today we'll start a new chapter, Fun with Magnets. What all things we will discuss in this chapter? First of all, introduction, magnets, discovery of magnets, magnetic and non-magnetic materials, poles of magnet, magnets find directions, different types of magnets, attraction and repulsion between magnet. What are magnets? A magnet is a metallic object which attracts iron or magnetic material. Now, have you ever noticed that sometimes if you bring objects like iron or any other objects made of iron, and when you try to bring them near the magnets, what happens? Yes, they stick to the magnet. They get attracted towards the magnet. You might have seen magnets and have even enjoyed playing with them. You might have noticed in some pencil boxes the lid fits tightly when we close it even without a locking arrangement. If you look at a refrigerator glass doors, you see that they tend to get attracted to each other. So wherever you are seeing this kind of attraction, there is no magic, there is a simple science behind it. Magnet is widely used in various applications. For example, when you look at various electrical devices, whether you talk about generators, the motors. So magnet plays a very important role. So in this chapter, we will study in detail about magnet. So in each of these examples, there are some objects which is trying to attract some certain objects. So this object which has this property, it is kind of attracting certain materials. This object is nothing but a magnet. Now let us see how magnets were discovered. It is said that there was a shepherd named Magnus who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take his herd of sheep and goats to the nearby mountains for grazing. He would take a stick with him to control his herd. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountainside. It seemed as if the stick was being attracted by the rock. The rock was a natural magnet and it attracted the iron tip of the shepherd's stick. It is said that this is how natural magnets were discovered. Such rocks were given the name magnetite. Perhaps after the name of that shepherd, magnetite contains iron. Some people believe that magnetite was first discovered at a place called Magnesia. The substance having the property of attracting iron are now known as magnet. Later on, the process of making magnets from pieces of iron was discovered. These are known as artificial magnets. Nowadays, artificial magnets are prepared in different shapes. For example, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical or a ball-ended magnet. Now let us perform an activity. Take a magnet, paper cup, safety pin, or paper clip and thread. Now place the magnet inside the paper cup. Take a safety pin and tie it with a thread. Now bring the safety pin near to the base of the cup. The safety pin and thread are held in air. Wow! Is it interesting? Here you study the magnetic property of the magnet. Magnet can easily attract any metal like iron. So children, today we discussed about introduction, magnets and discovery of magnets. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom, and all of you please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.